Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll explore how to install and use Google Canary, a version of Google Chrome that lets you access new features before they're officially released to the public. Google Canary is basically an experimental version of the Google Chrome web browser. It's intended for early adopters and developers, who want to experience the latest and greatest features before they become part of the stable Chrome release. To download Canary browser, go to the official website, which is the safest and most reliable source to download the browser. Download the installer for Google Canary and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. After the installation is complete, launch browser from your computer to begin exploring its features. Here I will not sign into Google account. If you sign into Google Canary using your Google account, this step enables you to synchronize your bookmarks, settings, and other data from your regular Chrome browser. This browser is updated frequently, so you'll always have access to the latest enhancements, features, and bug fixes, often well before they make their way into the stable Chrome version. When using Google Canary, you can look forward to experiencing new features and performance improvements that might not be available in the regular Chrome browser yet. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.